Today I'm here to talk about a new product called the Suction Cup Drink Holder. Now, as the name suggests, this gives you a portable yet sturdy solution to mount any sort of drink that you might be bringing onto a boat or any other place that you might want to put this product. Now, with a lot of our products, we incorporate our TemperBond suction cup. We developed this to work for dashboards and windows on cars, but we've cross-developed it to work for boats, windscreens, directly on the hull of your craft. It's easy to maintain, easy to remove, doesn't leave any residue when you remove it, but also locks tight and secure when you do want it to work. Now, the main part of this product is the drink holder itself. Designed with stainless steel, so it's both stylish and functional, avoids rusts, which is great when you're dealing with anything around the water. So the other key benefit to this drink holder is the inclusion of this rubber stopper down here. Now, this actually serves two purposes. Firstly, to keep your drink securely in place. We know that the drink can be loose inside, it can be bouncing around when you're rough riding on the waves. So this pushes it securely into the device, keeps it from sliding out, keeps it from hopping out. And its second purpose is actually to resist the bumping of the side of the boat itself. When you're, again, riding over those waves, hitting those rough spots, this thing's gonna be moving around and we want your device to stay safe and secure, but we don't want to do any sort of damage to your boat. We know that's a prized possession of yours. We wanna keep it looking good. So the Suction Cup Drink Holder, super simple. I love it. Gives me the flexibility to add a cup holder anywhere that there isn't. Every boat has cup holders, but very few boats have enough of them. This gives me the ability to put it wherever I want, wherever I am. Gives me the ability to keep a drink close at hand, which is essential for any day out on the water. That about wraps it up for this product. Make sure to check us out on our website, www.bracketron.com. You can see this product as well as tons of other great products. Also, make sure to drop us a like and a subscribe on this video if you want to see more videos like this. We love using it as a way to keep you guys in the loop on what's coming out, what we have to come. And message us on Facebook and any other form of social media. We interact with our customers. We love hearing what you guys have to say. We love hearing your guys' reviews of these products. Anything you want to talk to us about, someone's always here. Just pick up the phone, dial the number above. Hope you guys like this review of this product. Stay tuned for more videos just like this one. Thanks.